Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to create a third-person side-scrolling template in Unreal Engine 5. First, you're going to click on third person, create a project. Next, you're going to click on your content drawer, go to BP third person character. We're going to go to the viewport, go to camera boom, turn the inherit yaw off, set the rotation to -90, go to BP third person self, type in planar. We're going to constrain to plane so it doesn't move off this axis. And we're going to type in 1 right here. Next, we're going to go to the event graph. We're going to delete the camera input. I'm going to scroll down to the movement. We're going to get rid of this right here, and unhook this right here. Plug the return value Z into the inroute Z. And plug this into the world direction. And there you have it. We have a working side-scrolling template. Thanks for watching, everybody.